This video provides a quick overview of the different report types available in the Qualys Vulnerability Management application. It will describe the different components that comprise a report and then demonstrate using these components to build a scan report. To create a report, navigate to the Reports tab and click the New button. A scan report will help you view and analyze the findings from your vulnerability scans, as well as assessments made from data collected by Qualys Cloud Agents. A scan report template provides numerous options for displaying the technical details associated with each detected vulnerability. On the other end of the spectrum, scorecard reports present a high-level view of your scan results, with summary statistics and graphic illustrations of useful metrics. The mapping feature in Qualys VM provides a useful service for discovering new host assets. Some of the features that you'll find in a map report can simplify the task of creating asset groups or adding new assets to your account. A patch report is similar to a scan report in that it provides evidence of detected vulnerabilities. However, the focus of this report is on the patches that can be used to fix or mitigate detected vulnerabilities. Patch reports make it easier to see the number of host assets impacted by a single patch. Qualys recommends performing scans in authenticated mode. However, the benefits gained from this practice will not be seen if the authentication attempted by your scanner appliance fails or is obstructed in some other way. The authentication report will help you to quickly identify authentication issues with details that will help you resolve the problem at hand. Remediation reports will help you identify the patch or mitigation teams responsible for specific vulnerabilities and help you assess their performance. These reports can be especially useful for quickly locating overdue patches and preventing potential process bottlenecks. If you use Qualys VM to perform PCI compliance scans, the compliance report option can be used to produce PCI executive and technical reports. The Asset Search report is an extension of VM's Asset Search, where the results out of your Asset Search queries can be saved directly to your choice of popular file formats. Most of the report types listed here require an assessment or scan from a Qualys scanner appliance or data collected from agents before you can successfully build a report. The exception is the Asset Search report, which only requires one or more host assets in your subscription. However, keep in mind that the accuracy of an Asset Search report is greatly improved after completing an assessment or scan first. In a moment, we'll take a quick look at the components required to build or run a report, and then we'll return here to the Reports tab to run a scan report. This diagram illustrates the basic components needed to build any of the report types just described. With the exception of scorecard reports, authentication reports, and asset search reports which do not require a report template. All report types require that you select a report source or the assets you intend to target in your report. You can accomplish this using a range of IP addresses or even a single IP, or any asset groups or asset tags you've created. For the report types that require a report template, you can choose a custom template that you've created or select one from the Qualys Report Template library. A report template provides dozens of options for selecting the data and findings that will be included in your report, how that data will be displayed, and who will be able to view the reports that are generated. We'll take a much closer look at template options in the report template video that follows. Notice that a Qualys scanner appliance is not included in this diagram. Running a report does not in any way launch a scan. Scanning and reporting are separate tasks, and therefore scans must be completed prior to building their associated reports. I'll now demonstrate using a report template and report source to build a scan report. Before running a report, I'll first verify my scan results here under the Scans tab. Both of my scans have finished and display icons that indicate all data processing is complete, which means that I have scan data available for reporting. Assessment activity from agent host assets can be verified from within the Cloud Agent application, Qualys Asset View, and the Host Assets tab here in the Vulnerability Management application. With my scan and assessment activity verified, I'll run a scan report from the Reports tab. Notice that the scan report has a separate template for PCI scans. I'll use the standard template. I've given my report a descriptive title, and now I'll select a report template that defines different display and filtering options. The high severity template will filter out lower severity vulnerabilities. Different output file formats are available. I'll select HTML. The report template that I chose has the San Jose Asset Group enabled as the default report source, but I can easily change this to some other report source target. An option is available if I want to schedule this report to run at a later time or date, or at reoccurring intervals. For now, I'll just click Run to build a high-severity vulnerability report for my San Jose assets. Thank you for watching this Qualys training video.